Hey guys, hope you have seen my previous video where I have shared our day 1 experience in Big Bang. We started our day 2 with a lot of energy. A grey-bellied cuckoo welcomed us with a morning song. A red-collared dove was busy having its breakfast. Look how beautiful the grassland is looking like. We just missed filming a small button quill, but next bird revived our energy, a beautiful male white-bellied minivet.
মিট করছে।
মিট না ওটাকে মিট বলে না।
চিত্রা কেন মিট করবে?
The couple was busy feeding their chicks, so flew from one to another tree to collect caterpillars. I was lucky to film the male bird collecting poop of its child and took away. It is a common behavior of a parent bird. We left the place and moved to another ground. Look how a rainquill approached us when it heard a call.
ক্যামেরাটা কেন ওরকম করছো?
Let me inform you, in rainy season you will find them until they got partner before they breed. In winter they won't respond on a call as they already get their partners and hide inside the bushes. Kundan Bhai drove the car and showed us painted sungroves again, and this time they were sitting nearby. We saw a dusky Craig Martin family on a bridge beside the road. Left one is an adult and three on the right are chicks. Here you will notice one of their parents came and fed their chicks. Was lucky to see a colorful wordtail swallow with a proper wordtail. Finally, one of our most awaited targets was caught, a brown crake. In Big One, it was pretty easy to get this species. It was really special. A pair of cinnamon bittern was flying around the area and luckily it sat on the top of a tree.
যাও।
We found a flock of munias in this place. We found gorgeous red munias, male, female, and tricolor munia playing around. I noticed we mostly found them nearby any water stream. In Vigwan, most of the time you will find sugarcane and jawar cultivation because it needs less water and maintenance. This sugarcane doesn't produce jaggery but sugar. That day, around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we found a mixed flock of munias, baya, and bulbul taking birth to release heat wave. We had few hours left in our hand and we started searching for bonelis and shorttooth, but this time our luck did not follow us. But we found some chinkaras.
ये जल्दी से फोन करा तुझ्याकडे हे र लायसन आहे आम्ही विदाउट लायसन्स बसलोय फोन
It was getting darker. On the way back, we thought of searching few common birds, so we found another bird button quill. A pair of common babbler were chattering loudly on a tree beside us. Then we walked towards Bhima river and we found one Eurasian goat. But we did not know Kundan Bhai planned something special for us at the end of the day, a flock of greater flamingo. Even though in this season it does not get its color, but it was more than enough to be a witness of this beautiful species at the end of our trip.
चकचक येतो
এখানে আমি সাপোর্ট পেয়ে গেছি না, ট্রাইপড লাগবে না।
এই স্কেপটা
ওটা আছে দেখে জমছে।
এই
রেডি?
We smile and hold the baggage of the memories forever. I hope you like the video. See you in the next one. Till then, raise humanity and spread peace.